Look at this.
School is closed for 2 weeks because of COVID?
It's okay. It'll be fun.
See you in 2 weeks.
More than 145,000 COVID-19 hospitalizations. 20 minutes.
We're asking for your place to not Listen to me. Lock all doors. Stay inside. Do anything to survive. When is this gonna end?
No, stay away from me. Stay away from me. Murder hornets. I'm never gonna see you again.
Hey guys, look what I found!
This is the Dell Health Department. Your COVID-19 test result is...
Hey guys, it's Emily here, and today we're gonna be cooking the best dessert ever, and it's called mud pie. For this recipe, you're gonna need 4 boxes of chocolate pudding, 2 boxes of chocolate cake, 2 candies of your choice. I chose Heath and Reese's, and Cool Whip. Okay, to begin, we're gonna bake our cakes by following the directions on the back of the box. Now it's time to make the pudding. Now that our cakes are baking, while we wait, we're gonna crush all of our candy in a bag and top our mud pie with. Let's do it. Okay, now it's time to assemble our mud pie. You're gonna need a clear bowl. It could be as big or as small as you want, depending on how much you're making. We're gonna need our pudding, our Cool Whip, our crushed candy, and of course the chocolate cake. First, we're gonna layer the cake on the bottom of the bowl. Once your cake is layered on the bottom, it's time for the pudding. Now that we have our pudding layered in the bowl, we're gonna add our Cool Whip. Now that we have our Cool Whip on top, we're gonna add our candy. Okay, now we have our cake, our pudding, our Cool Whip, and our candy on top. We're gonna repeat that whole process again, so we have another 4 layers. Okay, we are finally done with our mud cake. And now for one last touch, I'm gonna have my family taste it and rate it for me so you guys can make this at home and know if it's actually good or not. Let's go. Delicious. Really good. He's leaving. No, let him film you. Alright guys, that's a wrap for today. I had so much fun filming this today for you guys. I hope you make this at home. I hope you liked it as much as me and my family did. Bye! Hi guys, it's Megan, and today I'm going to be tasting two of the same drink from Starbucks and Dunkin', comparing them, and then telling you which one I like better. Let's get started.
Hi, can I get a tall strawberry acai refresher?
No, of course. Here you go. Thank you.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you.
Hello. Hi. Could I get a strawberry? Do you have like a strawberry refresher?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get one of those. I'm back home now. I have the Starbucks strawberry acai refresher, and then I have the Dunkin' strawberry refresher. You definitely get more for your money at Dunkin'. This drink was only $2.79, while this one was $3.75 and is much smaller. For presentation, I do like the Dunkin' snow globe theme, but I don't like the lid as much as I like Starbucks because it has the sipping option. Starbucks also put strawberries on top while Dunkin' didn't. And Dunkin' definitely has less ice than Starbucks, which is good because then you get more drink. First, I'll try the Dunkin' drink. It's good. Now it's time for the Starbucks drink. Dunkin's is definitely more flavorful and more fruity. This one's more plain and more bitter. Not bitter, but less sweet. I honestly like Dunkin's better just because I have a major sweet tooth. But if you like things less sweet, then I would go for Starbucks. Hi guys, I'm back trying two new drinks from Starbucks and Dunkin'. I have a caramel macchiato from both. Both are really pretty. They have the ombre look. I'm gonna stir them up and give them a try. First, I'll try Dunkin's. It's really good. The coffee's pretty strong, but there's also a lot of caramel, so it helps to even it out. And now Starbucks. I like that a lot. It's way more subtle. This one's stronger, which I'm surprised because I thought Dunkin' was less strong. This one's more sweet, but this one does have more flavor. So it depends if you really like the strong coffee flavor or if you like it more sweet and subtle. Overall, I'm just gonna have to go with Dunkin' for this. I'm really surprised because I usually go to Starbucks, but Dunkin' had a really good strawberry refresher and a really good caramel macchiato, and you get more for your money.